You want to set a goal that is closer to something that you can do every day, and that would be walk for 5 minutes. It may not be smart for you to set a goal of walk for a mile. Should say, I'm going to leave the house, I'm going to walk for 3 minutes, and then walking back, you've just walked 6 minutes. That's excellent. There is nothing too small or menial about that. That's very important. If you're bedridden, your goal is get those ankles moving, get those toes moving. I'm going to lift both my legs off of this bed. There is no goal too small, too insignificant. Where you are, you must start there, and it's worth it. Have a happy new year. Make a happy new year, and get to a Pentecostal church. It's just amazing. Ciao.